3 weeks. That's how long it took this simple mask, made with turmeric and honey, to transform my skin from constant breakouts to the clearest it's been in years. No harsh chemicals, no expensive serums, just 2 ingredients sitting in my kitchen. And yes, I was skeptical too. I'd tried everything: benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, miracle serums. Nothing worked. But this did. Why acne products fail. Most acne products are just too harsh. They strip your skin barrier, causing irritation, dryness, and even more oil production. The worse your barrier gets, the worse the breakouts become. What your skin actually needs is something that fights bacteria and inflammation without damaging your barrier, and that's where turmeric and honey come in. The science. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce acne inflammation by up to 87%. It also kills acne-causing bacteria, without the risk of bacterial resistance. Honey brings the perfect balance. It's antibacterial due to natural hydrogen peroxide, but also moisturizing because it's a humectant. So you're killing bacteria and hydrating at the same time. Together, they reduce inflammation, bacteria, excess oil, and redness, all at once. The recipe. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TBSP raw honey. Optional: 1 TSP yogurt to prevent staining. Steps: mix into a smooth paste. Patch test, quick but important. Apply to clean, slightly damp skin. Leave on for 10-15 minutes. Don't let it fully dry. Rinse with lukewarm water and moisturize. Use it 2 to 3 times per week. Results timeline. Here's what you can realistically expect. Week 1, less redness and swelling. Week 2, under 3, faster healing, fewer active breakouts. Week 4+, smoother texture, fading scars, more balanced oil. My breakouts dropped by about 60% in the first 3 weeks. Pro tips. 3 tips to boost results. Use raw honey. Processed honey doesn't work the same. Don't stress about yellow staining. It fades fast. Change pillowcases often, drink water, and keep stress low. This mask isn't magic. It's consistency, but it works and it's affordable. If you want pre-made versions that use the same turmeric power, I linked AMVital's turmeric acne products below. Try the mask and comment your results. Let's do this together. See you in the next one.